In class 10 biology, we will start with the endocrine system. What is endocrine system? That is the system made of different endocrine glands and is responsible for regulating complex activities occurring in our body. That is called endocrine system. Like thyroid, pituitary are the examples of endocrine glands. Secretion of endocrine glands are called hormones, and this play an important role in chemical coordination of our body. If on the other hand, if we see that exocrine glands are also produce oil, sweat, enzymes. These are the different substances comes out from the exocrine gland, and these endocrine glands are distinctly different from the exocrine gland. First starts with the what do you understand by the endocrine glands? That is ductless gland whose products is hormone are directly secreted into extracellular spaces around the cells, are transported through blood to the target organs, are called the endocrine glands, like adrenal, thyroid. These are the example. What are the do you mean by exocrine gland? That is the gland which have duct to carry secreted products are called exocrine gland, and secretion of this gland like enzymes, sweats, oil, these enter into body fluid and body cavities like digestive gland, sweat gland. These are the example. What do you mean by heterocrine glands? That is the gland which are partly endocrine and partly exocrine in nature, termed as heterocrine gland. That is example like pancreas, testes, ovary. These are the example. If I am asking that distinguish between the endocrine and exocrine gland, that is the first one is ductless gland, endocrine, and release their secretion into blood. In case of exocrine, the gland release secretion through ducts. Axon always away from the site of secretion, endocrine gland, and here actually in case of exocrine, that is secretion and axon site are same. Secretes only hormone in case of endocrine, and here secretes saliva and sweat. Now what is hormone? Hormone actually is a substance secreted by the ductless gland which are poured directly into bloodstream and are carried to the target organ and are called the hormones like thyroxine, adrenaline. So hormones are why hormones are known as chemical messenger, because hormones are also known as chemical messenger because they are chemicals in nature like polypeptide, protein, amino acid, steroids, and after being directly released into the blood stream, they reach their target organs and perform different physiological functions just like messengers. So that is why it is known as chemical messenger. If I am asking that distinguish between hormone and enzymes, that is hormones actually endocrine glands product from origin, and enzymes always exocrine gland. Hormones carried by blood, enzyme carried by duct. Hormones protein or steroid in nature, and enzymes are protein in nature. If I am asking the characteristics of hormones, that is hormones are secreted by endocrine glands, released directly into blood. They do not act as a site of secretion. They are secreted in minute quantity. They are destroyed soon after the action is over. They are generally polypeptide, protein, amino acid, and steroid in nature. They help to adjust or restore homeostatic balance. It's like excessive sugar, blood sugar, always secrete pancreas to secrete insulin in the blood to maintain equilibrium. They help to body to meet emergency demands like infection, emotion, stress, and that is hypersecretion or hyposecretion of hormone result hormonal disorder. Now actually next day we will see that is what is endocrine system and how actually it works. So today up to that.